Hello friends, welcome to our channel Currency in Crypto. Today actually we will discuss about the Shiba Inu. What is the next step of Shiba Inu? We all know that we all love Shiba Inu and the profit which they gave us, definitely for the profit which they gave us, for that all our love, right? Everyone just love Shiba only for the way it given us the profit. Okay, and what are the next big things that Shiba Inu is going to take? So, from the last few days, we have seen that Shiba is going to take. Shiba will go to themselves in metaverse, in gaming sector. So they have just given their first step towards that direction. So is it really feasible? How much feasible it is? So today we will discuss that the company which they have tied up, so how they are capable of that they can build the traditional gaming they might have built some traditional gaming in computer, in Android, but what what are they capable of creating that game in Shiba Inu on the platform of blockchain? So today we will try to discuss all those part. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, so friends, here I have come into my computer screen. So here you can see that the official tweet from the ship, that official announcement is Playside, the company which I was mentioning before, that is the company name is Playside. Playside and Shiba Inu Games sign a strategic work for a hire contract. This should be take a note on that work for hire contract. What does it mean? The strategic agreement with Shiba is a fixed price milestone based agreement to develop multiplayer collectible card games. Okay, so they are going to develop a multiplayer collectible card games in which the plan to released on multiple platforms. Okay, fine, but work for hire, this term is really important, that they will go to step by step. Okay, so suppose they have developed one part of the game, they will show it to the Shiba Inu team, and that if the Shiba Inu team really like it, then they will give the payment and it will go further one by one, and there will be no involvement of money. Suppose now Shiba is launched the game and Shiba earning huge profit, and they will not take that profit anymore. Okay, they are only contract to hire. They will not share. Shiba will not share any revenue to that play site after the contract is over. After the game development is done, the relation is end. So work for hire contract with Shiba, with Playside. Shiba and did. Okay, so here is the contract details. I have downloaded it. So okay, let's share. I have downloaded it. So let's share that. You have go to the contract details. You have downloaded this, and now look at it. So Playside and Shiba Inu Games signed strategic work for hire contract. Okay. So what are the highlights of this contract? So Playside sign a material work for hire, which I have mentioned earlier. This terminology is very important for both Shiba and Playside. Work for hire contract with Shiba Inu Games, derivative entity formed from the globally recognized Ethereum-based token and decentralized cryptocurrency Shiba Inu. The strategic agreement with Shiba is a fixed price. As I mentioned earlier, it is a fixed price contract. So Playside will not get any revenue after the game has been is launched. Once the game is launched, give they will not take means Shiba will not give any revenue to Playside. Okay, and it is a milestone based agreement. As I have mentioned it earlier, also milestone based agreement to develop a multiplayer collectible card games, which is planned to be released on multiple platforms, and the development term will be 8 months. Okay, so development times is 8 months, means another 2 to 3 months or 4 months is required. Once development is over, then there is production release and all those parts, there are advertisements, so all those part is there. So for that, it will take some time, right? So okay, so now, what is the CEO? The Gary Sakkas, the CEO of the Playside. What is his word actually? PlaySide continues to demonstrate its capability partner with leaders across the range of fields within interactive entertainment, including leading influence global gaming brands. Okay, it is fine, and they are also trying to develop the game in emerging technologies. Okay, so emerging technologies continues to gather space, and this is an ideal opportunity for PlaySide to collect well in these fields. So initially, as I mentioned, that PlaySide was building games in Android for personal for PC. Okay, but they are now expanding their technological knowledge also, and they are now come into the blockchain platform, and they are trying to build games in this platform. Okay, blockchain like Ethereum, or the on Ethereum token as Shiba is built, so they are now trying to build the game on this also. So this company has that has that potential, it seems. So I will go into a further details. Okay, so let's go to the website of this company. Okay, the PlaySide, what is that? So here you can see that PlaySide Studios, Australia's largest publicly listed video games developer, is placed. This is all those things, 8 month, which is the highlights there, that is elaborately described here also. Okay, so now let's go to the website, the PlaySide's website. Okay, so here we have come to the website of PlaySide Studios. So how you will understand that it is a genuine PlaySide Studio? So look at the logo, and you can check the logo of that tweet, or the pages which I have shown earlier. Okay, so this logo determines that yes, this is the site which we are talking about, the PlaySide Studios. It looks good, right? Watch the trailer, the gaming, to the resolutions and all the creators in the ad. This just the front screen I'm showing. It looks good. Okay, now go to the details. So it is one of the most popular game, Jumanji. You can download it from the Play Store also. Okay, Saints and Sinners. What are the games actually they have built? Archangels, and there are some news also. Look, here is the tie-up which actually we are talking about, that PlaySide and Shiba has tied up. Okay, so now go to the what are their games? Battle Simulator Warfare. This is also in Play Store. I have checked that. These two games actually I have personally checked. This Jamunji and this one. Okay, so and rest of the games I have not get time, so I'll check that how their games. These two games are good. Okay, they are standard industry standards game, but we are all are waiting that how they are going to build on top of our Shiba Inu platform. Okay, so that we all are eager to know. So I think it is pretty much, it is good. It looks good. So these organizations has that potential to make games. Actually, they are experienced also. They say they have already built 70 plus games. So these are the few of them. Okay, so now let's go to the visit sites. So here I have come to the site's website. So ageofdarkness.com. Once I click that, it comes here. So here one video is there. Oh, it looks good. No, I will not play that video. It will might be a copyright issue. Okay. So you can check by yourself that Age of Darkness. Once you will go to that site, paystudios.com, then from there you can come here and you can check this site also. It looks good. So from the original website, we have come to the investor center. So it is that investor portal. So here you can see that PlaySide is one of Australia's largest independent video game developer. Okay, game developer company. So I'll not go into the details, and this is another important things which I have already highlighted. So PlaySide is Melbourne, Australia, and has a team of 70 games creators. So they have a means 70 developers, game developers. It means it is a big big organizations. So it is a good company. The company's portfolio consists of 52 titles delivered across 4 platforms. So they have already delivered 52 games. So what are the platforms they have built? the games on mobile they have built, which I have shown you, which I have told you earlier that I have. I myself have checked two games. I have downloaded two games. I have played that in mobile, and virtual reality, augmented reality games also. So I have not still know that how these games are virtual reality and augmented reality, maybe wearing those device, oculus type of device into in front of your eyes and like that. I have not tried that yet. And PC, for PC also they have created games. So this company has good potential for game developing games. They are the masters in this environment, and they have now tied up with Shiba. So that is all. We all are excited. So I'm just here to discuss, just to check the website and just show you all that how actually Shiba is going to get. Shiba has already tied up with this company. This company has the potential, has the ability. So just to discuss that, actually we are discussing this. So it is a public listed company. You can see the share price, but yeah, it is not visible now. Sometimes back, actually I have checked, it was 0.8 dollar. It's just less than $1 their share price is. It is a public listed company of Australia. Okay, though it is not visible here currently. Okay, so these are their teams. So Gary Sikkes is the CEO and co-founder of Playsite, this guy. So I think they have a good team, good developers. They have already delivered successfully in four different environments, in gaming environments. They included VR and AR, so virtual reality and augmented reality. So I think they have very good potential to develop the game. Okay, so guys, just at the end, one point: don't sell your Shiba Inu before 2023. Just give this timeline. Okay, so just give your target just before 223. Sorry, not 223. So we'll not sell 2023. Before 2023 we will not sell any Shiba Inu. Okay, so thank you guys, that's all from today. So hope you enjoy this video. So thanks a lot.